Good afternoon, students. So we'll take the second problem on to general approach for design. Okay, so this is the problem definition. What he says, design a BCD to XS converter. Okay, so for this problem statement we need to draw a logical approach to this. Okay, so as we know before, for a given problem statement, what we need to do is we need to draw a logical a logical truth table. So before drawing a logical diagram we need to have a truth table. So I am here with a truth table which is half empty. Okay, so BCD means binary coded decimals. So there is so what I have done is I have taken 4 bits as inputs. So for BCD you will have 4 bits as outputs. So B0, B1, B2 and B3. So these are the 4 inputs I have. Similarly, E0, E1, E2 and E3 are the outputs which I have. Okay, so there are 4 input variables, so I will have 16 sets of logics. Okay, 16 combinations I will have. Okay, the first bit 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1, similarly 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1, similarly 4 zeros 4 ones 8 zeros 8 1. Okay, so this is how I have written. On the left side I have on the left side of the expression of the truth table I have written the decimal values of this. Okay, so this is decimal 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 up till 15 I have written. Okay, so now I am going to fill this values here. So how to fill how to find the binary coded XS 3 means what? It is exceeded by 3. For example, for each value you are going to add 3 and that value is to be filled into these blocks. For example, I will take the first one, that is 0. So what is the value? 0 0 0 0. So if I want to add 3, so what is the decimal equivalent of 3? It is 0 0 1 1. So this is 2, this is 1, 2 plus 1 is 3. So when you add, what will you get? 0 0, sorry, this is 1 1 0 0. So for 0th column what I need to fill? I need to fill it as 0 0 1 1. So I am going to fill this over here as 0 0 1 1. Similarly, I have table 1. So that is 1 to decimal 1. What is the value you have? So you have it as 0 0 0 1. I need to add 3 to this, 0 0 1 1. So this is decimal adding. So 0 plus 0 is again 0 1. I hope you all know this. 1 1 is nothing but 0 1. Again 1 0. So at place 3 I need to inputted 1 I need to place this, that is 0 1 0 0. So let us drop these values. So 0 1 0 0. Okay, so similarly you have to, let us take another one. So that is decimal 2. So what is the value you have? So for decimal 2 I have it as 0 0 0 0 1 0. To this I need to add a 3, 0 0 1 1. So once I do this, what do I get? 0, this is 0, this is 0 1. So this 1 is appearing over here. Again this is 0. So what will I get over here? Sorry, this is 1. So this is 1 0 1 1 1. So this is 0 1 0 1. So okay, I am going to fill it as 0 1 0 1. Okay, similarly for 3, so 3 plus, so 3 means what? 0 0 1 1 plus 0 0 1 1. Okay, so 0 1 1 is nothing but 0 1. Again this is 1 1. Again 0 1. So this is 1 0 1 0. Right, sorry, 1 0 1 0. So I'm gonna place it over here as for this, for 3, that is 0 0 1 1. So I have written it over here 0 0 1 1 plus 0 0 1 1. So 1 plus 1 is 0 1. again 1 1 1, so this is 1 1, so again 1, I hope you can see this, and 1, so this is 0 1 1 0, so I'm going to place it over here, 0 1 1 0. Okay, so similarly you're going to add this to until 9, decimal value 9. Okay, you are going to fill this in this fashion, so I will just fill it and come back. Okay, so but when it comes to two values, that is, this is 1 0 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 and 1 5, to these values we are going to place a don't care for this. Okay, so here I have filled all the values. Okay, so what I have done is until 3 I had done. So for again all the other values I had added it by 3, by number 3. I have excess 3 means it is exceeded by 3. Okay, I have done it over here. Okay, but for these columns, that is 1 0, since there are 2 digit numbers, okay, you cannot do the same thing over here, and therefore I have written a don't care terms over here. So this is how the truth table of binary to excess 3 comes over here. Okay, so this is the truth table which everybody has to remember. Okay, so now as you can see, there are 4 outputs, E0, E1, E2 and E3. So for each output, what you got to do is you got to draw a K-map and find an expression for this. So let us do this. So here what I have done is I have drawn a K-map. Okay, so for all the 4, that is E3, E2, E1 and E0. So E3, E2, this is E1 and this is E0. Anyways, I will show it in detail now. So for E3 I have so how many? 16 variables. So this is the K-map which I have drawn. Okay, the output is E3, so I have written it as E3. So B3, B2, B1, B0. MSBs are B3 and B2. So B3, B2, B1 and B0. Okay, now this is 1 for 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So only these 5 values are 1. So I have written it 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So I have written 1. Again 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So they are all don't care. So I have written the don't care over here. So once we do the grouping, I have 3 groups. So this is 8 cell group which I have done. So again this is one group and this is one group. There is quad grouping over here. Once I write an expression for this, what do I have is, so this is this group. What do I have? Here I don't write anything. Why? Because all the bits have toggled, they have changed their values. So here the only one which is left out is B3. The value is 1. So I have written an expression for this is 1, B3. Similarly to this quad, so I have, so what is changed? B2 is retained, B3 is changed, so I am not going to consider that. So B2 value is 1, so I have written B2. Now this column and this column, so 0 1, so this is 1 1. So what is the value? B0, the value is 1. So I'm gonna write it as B0. Okay, so this is B2, B2, B0. Okay, similarly this quad, so again same B2 will be retained, but here B1 is retained, so B2 B1. So if I write an output expression for this, this is how it is. So what it is? B3 plus B2 B2 B0 plus B2 B1. I have written it over here. So if I collect B2 as a common term, I can further simplify this in this fashion. So this is an expression for output E3. Similarly, I have done it for output E2. Okay, so this is my output E2. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 9. This is 1 for all these. So I have written 1, 2, 3, 4 and 9. I have written 1 again. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. They are don't care. Once I do the grouping, how do I do the grouping over here? Okay, so this is one group, that is only two numbers in the cell. So this is corner grouping I have done. So this corner and this corner, and this corner and this corner. So there are two corner groupings, make a note of it. So if I write an expression for this term, okay, so B2 is, B3 has changed, so B3 will be coming. So B3 value is 1, so I have written expression for this as not B3, this is B2. So this is B2, and B1 B0 are 0 0, so you have a bar over here. So B2 B1 bar B0 bar. So this is an expression for this group. Similarly for these two. Okay, now if I consider this corner grouping, so this is how it is. Okay, so B3 has changed, B2 is a 0, so therefore you have it with a bar, so that is B2 bar. Similarly B1 is not changed, it is remained 1, so I am going to write it as B1. Okay, so further this group, that is this group, is cornered with this. Okay, so what do you have? So again B2 bar, okay, B2 bar, again B0 is 1, so again B0. So again if I consolidate and write an expression for this, it looks like, look in this fashion. Okay, so what do you have? B2 B1 bar B0 bar. Okay, again B2 bar is common, so B2 dash I have taken it as common. So what do you have? B1 plus B0. So B0 plus B1 I have written it over here. Similarly an expression for E1. Okay, so when I go with the truth table, E1 is what? 1 3 4 7 8. So sorry, this is not 1, this is a 0, so I am a bit confused. 0 3 4 7 and 8. So again 0 3 4 where do I have 7 and 8. Okay, so okay, 7 and 8, so I have written 1. Similarly 10 11 12 13 14 15 all have a cross. So once I do the grouping, I have a quad grouping which is vertical. Okay, so if I write an expression for this, so again you have, so this everything is changing, so only these two will appear 0 0, so it is B1 dot B1 bar B0 bar. Similarly this is 1 1, so this is B1 B0. So if I write a consolidated expression, this is how it is: B1 bar B0 plus B1 B0. So this is the expression for this. On the other hand, similarly it is E0 now. So what do you have? 0 2 4 6 and 8, it is 1. So I have tried writing it over here. So 0 2 4 6 and 8, so it is 1. So again 10 11 12 13 14 15, it is don't care. So you can again go with the corner grouping over here, only one group. Okay, so again you have 8 terms, so aram se you can make a group. So if you again see, so all values have changed. So again I have to consider this row and this column 0, this is 1 changed, again this is 0, this is 0. So what is that value? This is B0, so that is 0, so I have a bar. So the expression for E0 is B0 bar. So again if I write a consolidated expression, so this is E3, this is E2, E1 and E0. So if I draw the table for this, I mean if I want to draw the logical diagram for this expression, this is how it looks like. So I have taken 4 outputs: B0, B1, B2 and B3. What we have done is we have taken NOT gates over here. Okay, so B1 with a NOT, what do I get? B0 bar, this is B1 bar, this is B2 bar and this is B3 bar. Okay, I think the last E0, E1, E2, E3, if we go in this fashion, it is a very simplified expression. So therefore let us go in a reverse fashion. E0, so let us write an expression for E0. It is nothing but B0 bar. So B0 bar I have tapped and this is nothing but my E0. Now this is XOR gate. So I have written what is that, B1 and B0. So this is B0 and this is B1. I have XORed, so this is nothing but E1. Similarly, what do I have for E2? This is the expression B2 B1 bar. So what I have done is for E2, okay, so for E2 B0, okay, B0 okay. So now we'll go with the expression for E2. Okay, so what he says, B2 B1 bar B0 bar. So B0 bar I have tabbed it, so B1, so it is ANDed. So what do I get? B0 B1. Okay, so again B2 we have tabbed it over here, so this is B2. Okay, so again when this is ANDed, you get this expression. So this is ANDed with B2 bar into B0 plus B1. So B0 plus B1 means you have to have an OR gate for B0 and B1. So I have taken an OR gate. So the inputs are, this is B0 and this is what? This is B1. So I have ORed this. So what do we get? B0 plus B1. Okay, so now this is ORed with B2 bar. So this is ANDed with B2 bar. See here, this is your B2 bar. Okay, B2 bar. When we OR ANDed, so what do you get? B2 bar into B0 plus B1. Again when you OR it, you get the expression E2. Okay, so again for E3, what do you have? B3 plus B2 into B0 plus B1. So B0 plus B1 we already have. So what you need to add? You need to add B2 to this. So B2 is added. So you get what? It is ANDed. So what do you get? B2 into B0 plus B1. B2 into B0 plus B1. You have to add B3 to this. So I have taken an OR gate. So what is the input to this? B3. So this and this, what you get? B3 plus B2 into B0 plus B1. So this is how the circuit looks like for BCD to XS3.